Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's crucial for academic success: how to become productive while studying. Productivity isn't just about spending more time studying, it's about making the most of the time you spend. If you're looking to boost your productivity and get more out of your study sessions, this video is for you. Let's dive into some effective strategies to help you become a more productive student. Tip number 1: set clear and specific goals. Start by setting clear, specific goals for each study session. Instead of a vague objective like study biology, aim for something more concrete, such as complete and review chapter 3 questions in the textbook. Specific goals give you direction and make it easier to measure your progress. Tip number 2: create a study plan. Develop a detailed study plan that outlines what you need to accomplish and when. Break your study sessions into manageable tasks and allocate specific time blocks for each. A well-structured plan helps you stay organized and ensures you cover all necessary material efficiently. Tip number 3: prioritize your tasks. Identify your most important and urgent tasks and tackle those first. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. Prioritizing helps you focus on what truly matters and ensures that you address high-impact tasks early on. Tip number 4: minimize multitasking. Focus on one task at a time rather than trying to juggle multiple activities. Multitasking can reduce your efficiency and lead to mistakes. By dedicating your attention to a single task, you'll complete it more effectively and efficiently. Tip number 5: use active learning techniques. Engage with the material actively to enhance your understanding and retention. Techniques such as summarizing information in your own words, creating mind maps, or teaching concepts to others can significantly improve your learning outcomes. Active learning helps you grasp and remember information better. Tip number 6: take regular breaks. Avoid burnout by incorporating regular breaks into your study routine. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, which involves studying for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. Breaks help maintain your concentration and prevent mental fatigue, keeping you productive over longer periods. Tip number 7: maintain a productive study environment. Create a study environment that supports your productivity. Choose a quiet, well-lit, and organized space free from distractions. Ensure your study area is comfortable and equipped with all necessary materials to keep you focused and efficient. Tip number 8: stay hydrated and nourished. Keep yourself hydrated and well nourished to maintain your energy levels and concentration. Drink plenty of water and eat balanced meals or snacks during your study sessions. Proper nutrition supports cognitive function and helps you stay alert and productive. And that's a wrap on how to become more productive while studying. By setting clear goals, creating a study plan, and maintaining a focused environment, you'll maximize your efficiency and get more out of your study sessions. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to letstute, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Share your own productivity tips or ask questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.